Hi everyone, it's Journey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to an unforgettable adventure from the charming streets of Niagara-on-the-Lake to the breathtaking Niagara Falls. It's going to be an epic day filled with fun, thrilling rides, and of course, a close-up encounter with one of the world's most famous natural wonders, the Niagara Falls. Whether it's your first time or your 100th, Niagara Falls never disappoints. So, let's dive into the excitement! Hi guys! As we make our way towards the mighty Niagara Falls, which is one of the world's greatest natural wonders, let's take first on a journey through a hidden gem along the way, the charming and historic town of Niagara-on-the-Lake. So where are we going, boys?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh my god, we're going to Niagara Falls. Yoo-hoo! That's TJ and Eric at the back. And lovely Edward, Trisha, they're behind us.
My hair's
Just a stone's throw from the US border, nestled between the shores of Lake Ontario and the lush vineyards of Canada's wine country, Niagara-on-the-Lake is often called the prettiest town in Canada. As we drive, imagine stepping back in time. This quaint little town was once a key site during the War of 1812, a war fought between the United States and the British Empire. You'll notice as we pass through that many of the buildings are preserved in their original 19th century architecture. In fact, Niagara-on-the-Lake is Ontario's oldest town, founded way back in 1781. And for a brief period, it was even the capital of Upper Canada. If you ever decide to come here for a day trip, be sure to walk along Queen Street. It's the town's main thoroughfare, full of boutique shops, art galleries, and restaurants that will surely tempt your taste buds. Every January, Niagara-on-the-Lake holds the famous Ice Wine Festival, where the town transforms into a winter wonderland. It's an event where locals and tourists come together to sample food, sip on wine, and enjoy the beauty of the snowy vineyards. And theater lovers, get excited! Niagara-on-the-Lake is also a home to the world-renowned Show Festival. This is one of the largest and most respected repertory theater festivals in North America. Named after playwright George Bernard Shaw, the festival runs from April to December and features an array of plays, everything from classics to contemporary hits. By the way, guys, we have been here so many times, but still I can't get enough of this beautiful place. And my favorite is spending time by the Ontario Lake. On a clear sky, we could see the Toronto skyline too. So, as we leave this charming town behind and head towards the thunderous roar of Niagara Falls, remember that Niagara-on-the-Lake is just a short drive away, making it the perfect destination to explore history, indulge in wine and food, and soak in the beauty of Ontario's natural landscape. We are passing by the power generating plant. There is actually a tour for Niagara Power Station. You can check their website for more info and find the link in the description box below. We have been here in Niagara Falls so many times as well. In fact, we have seen the falls in all seasons. It is really stunning. There are actually so many things to do and see here, but for today, we aim to do mainly the cruise to the Niagara Falls, take a Skywheel ride to enjoy the view from above, and the boys, they want to go for ZIPLINE, Speedway Go Cart, and mini golf. Let's see if we still have enough time to do all this today. So now we're here in Niagara Falls. The first thing we have to do is to find parking space that is not so far away from the things we want to do. I have checked the possible parking spaces here. We will see if we could get one in Cliffton Hill because that's where the main attractions are and it's not so far away to walk down to the falls. And we have to check if it's not so expensive. That's where we were, in that restaurant up there, in the Sheraton.
Maybe we go right and park up there somewhere.
Yes. Clifton Hill. So that's the Sheraton.
We go to the right here, you know?
It's up to you, yeah. Landis Lane is also there.
We go here up Clifton Hill?
Yes. And see where the parking is. Wow, look at the
Queso.
look
Was there parking for you visible?
So here we are, we got parking spots along the Clifton Hill and it's only $25 for the whole day. Not so bad. Gana lagi ka kini din ka lugar busy. Diara, mga laagan. Ay, hello, lovely. Harvard. Asa mo to Trisha? Mo ba na kayo mo din na alam? Niagara Skyweel. So we are in the Clifton Hill. Ha? Umana, nakutang na ko. Clifton Hill is a bustling entertainment district packed with attractions, restaurants, and activities designed to cater to a wide range of interests and ages. Tinood! Alam mo, ice cream! Welcome to the Niagara Falls! So there's the
Falls.
Niagara Falls, the US side. And we will go later to the Canada side, Canada Horseshoe. Hi! Welcome to my vlog. Da, orang tinuan. Ay! Dinosaur! Oh, right there!
Tanawa, di ba na-enjoy naglulik eh?
Oh wow, look at this. That is the US side, and on the other side is the Canadian Horseshoe. Oh, it's so beautiful. The last time we were here was 7 years ago. Niagara Falls is simply stunning, gorgeous, beautiful. I can't get enough of this. And this is where we're going to buy our tickets for the Niagara City cruises. And this is the ZIPLINE station. And guys, it's so full. The queue is very long. I think we cannot do it today. For the main event, which is taking a cruise to get up close and personal with Niagara Falls, we already bought our tickets. By the way, you can grab your tickets at the automated machines or booth near the dock or online if you want to skip the line. Since we still have time, we decided to grab some snacks here at the Gand View Restaurant, which is right next to the zipline point. This place is perfect. Look at the view we have while having our food. There is the family. We're having food here at the Niagara Falls. Before we go, hello. And now, with our tickets in hand, we're heading to the boarding area. We're going to the boat. Ready for the boat. Itong videohan niya eh. Ready na sila. They're all ready. What is this? This is the Falls Incline Railway, which provides a fast and convenient link between the Falls View tourist area and the Table Rock Center. Trisha!
I want to do Titanic.
So this is where we are waiting for the
I thought that was an unfinished bridge.
That's just a main deck.
Oh, hi.
Hi, where are the boys?
Behind me.
Anywhere? Anywhere! Yay! Oh! Dali ang tas unahan. Niagara Falls Cruise! Ate Trisha! Where are you? Video.
Okay, live.
Okay.
Welcome aboard Niagara City Cruises. May I have your attention, please? This is an important safety announcement. For your safety, this boat is equipped with all necessary and proper life-saving and firefighting equipment. Life jackets are stored in the...
Ikaw, paikot yan. Picture ate. Of course. That's the US. Oh, wow. Dapat
As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the Niagara Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located. It has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the flow of intersections of bedrock from the American Falls shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. In a recent notable rock fall, in 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts.
Yeah, that's one. Wait, that's one. That's the biggest one. The big.
Niagara Falls, more specifically, is the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridalveil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located between Goat Island and Table Rock, is known as the... And the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with the Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world taller, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 107 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet.
Oh my God! Grabe ang tubig lang mo. Bawal, no? Kanina no. I come early, can TJ come look at me?
There's also a little fall. Small fall.
Okay.
Okay. What is all this white stuff? I think so many people.
Visit our mystery
The cruise is an experience like no other. We cruised past the American Falls first, Getting closer and closer to the roaring Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side, you can feel the power of the water, hear the thunderous roar, and yep, you'll definitely get wet. But that's all part of the adventure. It's a thrilling moment to be so close to nature's raw beauty. Guys, if you happen to be here in Niagara, you should never miss this cruise. So going back up, we have two options, taking the elevators or the funicular. So for us, we'll just take the elevator. From here, you could also walk straight further, so you could also be closer to the Canadian Horseshoe. But for us, we don't have to do it. We have done it many times. But there, you will also have a very different perspective of the falls. So now we're going back to Cliffton Hill for another adventure. We are back here in Cliffton Hill. We split into two teams. We, the ladies, decided to enjoy the amazing views from the Niagara Skyweel. By the way, you can buy tickets right here at the entrance and it runs until late, so you can catch a ride anytime during the day or night. The gents decided to go for the Speedway Go Cart and later on go for the mini golf. For all you thrill seekers, the go-kart racing on Clifton Hill is a must-try. It's fast, it's fun, and it's competitive. Great for families or groups looking to add some adrenaline to the day.
So, we are here in the Skywheel with Ate Trish.
They knew the address. I don't.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I will.
Ako din, ikaw mo din ha.
Oh, kay puli-puli tag picture. Okay, thank you. Ahead daw. Dali mo. Asus, mga artista. Maguros mo. We are aboard Skywheel and
Riding the Niagara Skywheel is a totally relaxing experience, giving you panoramic views of the falls, the bustling city below, and all the nearby attractions. It's a peaceful break amidst all the excitement, perfect for sitting back and taking it all in.
ebidensya nga ng sakay.
May picture ng address ko.
Ako musaka pa. Ari untang kung ani. Mabuga. Ari kagana.
Ikaw din eh. Ikaw din.
Photo. Ari dito ko pamandi. Trish.
On our way to the parking area, we spotted this upside down house. This would have been fun to go in, but we don't have the time. So guys, this is also a must visit here in Niagara. And that wraps up our incredible day here in Niagara Falls. What a day it's been! Niagara Falls is truly one of those must-visit destinations. Whether you're here for the natural beauty, the thrill of the rides, or the great food and fun spots on Cliffton Hill. If you're planning a trip, I highly recommend doing the cruise. It's really a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And don't forget to take a ride on the Skywheel for those unbeatable views. Thanks for joining us on this epic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel vlogs and upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for more adventures. Until next time, happy travels!